The man Sam, man in the big green hat. I'm here at Booker T. Washington State Park near Chattanooga, Tennessee. It sits on Chickamauga Lake or the Tennessee River, prefer that. But there's lots of trails to do here. But today we're just going to do a short. We're just going to do the nature trail. It's a combination of the woodsy area and maybe some fun down by the lake. So let's go see what we find. It's a really neat little thing down here that they're building. I'm not exactly sure what it is. I thought it was like an outdoor classroom at first, but now I'm not so sure. I hope the trail kind of looks close to that. There's lots of storm damage around. Unfortunately, a lot of privet here. That's something I didn't see at the other state park nearby. Winter leaves of cranefly orchid. It's quite a nice little patch through here. The trail splits. We'll be going to the right. We'll take a section up through the woods first, and then come back to that section along the lake. Save the best for last, I think, maybe. The whole flock of robins up here. And I probably won't be able to zoom in on it, but that tree in the center, this little woodpecker, moving mostly up the back side of it. It's kind of neat that each state park that I've been to this weekend has had a woodpecker. I was down just kind of checking out the lake area a bit ago before I started the trail, and it was really pretty blue heron just sitting on the railing, not finding anything else in the world. It's kind of cool. Finally getting some little rock features and things here. There hasn't been a whole lot to look at or photograph or video. Rocks are always fun. This one even appears to have almost a little bit of a geode or something, maybe. Oh, my finger was covering it up. Look at that right there. That's pretty. Oh wow, we're moving through an area now. The privet here are the size of small trees. You usually see this as a small shrub, but some of these things are 15 feet tall. I've seen larger, unfortunately. We'll just about take out all of your native wildflowers. It smothers so much. There's been lots of little birds along this route. It's one thing it does have going for it. You finally have a view of Chickamauga Lake. But I've enjoyed the woodpeckers and the robins. There's been titmice and another little bird I haven't quite figured out yet. I hope I got a good picture of it. It should have moved fast. So maybe I can drop that photo in this video or something somehow. Let you know if I figure it out. There's the problem with the state park being so close to the main road through town here. See all this litter thrown out and washed down. A bit of a rise here. This is a neat little area to look down, and you can see out the lake a bit. It's a pretty cool little stretch through here. Here the trail continues on, makes longer loops. But sticking to what we were originally doing, we'll take this loop, maybe along the edge of the river here, and good timing. I mentioned a little earlier about crane, if I can get this in focus, with blue heron. Take this little side trail down to the lake here. Let's see if I can get a photo without spooking the heron. There we go. Now I like this little stretch of trail. This feels a little more natural. Even if you can't hear still the autos in the distance there. The trail is coming out down here at one of the recreation areas. I suspect this goes back up that way though. That's the only way that makes sense. But there's no markings or anything. This little field would be a nice spot to look for songbirds and things. See if they planted some pine trees. Maybe in a few years when it's a little more bushy, if they allow it to be so. Be a great place to find all kind of different types of birds. I missed the turn off the trail somewhere. Main trail's up there. While we're here, we'll come up and look at this little area and see what it is that I mentioned looked like an outdoor classroom. There are benches. Just a wide circular thing with a platform at the center of it. That's kind of strange. Huh. Stonework back here would date to the CCC era. I'll have to learn more about the state park. See if I can figure out what was here. What the purpose of this big circular concrete thing is. So good news. If you did get off trail. Oh, wait a minute. No, this was no trail. This is an old road or something here. This is unusual. But the actual trail does go like where I went on the outside of that field up into this area. There's no blazes or anything here. And then it continues up the hill.